If you want to play online while traveling or away from home internet, you can connect your Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, or Xbox One to nearby Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots. These public hotspots from Comcast allow gamers to access the internet in places like cafes, hotels, and public areas. Once you log in and register your console, the hotspot can remember your device using its MAC address so future connections are faster. With the right setup, you can download games, join multiplayer matches, and stay connected even without your home network. Step 1. On your Xbox, go to Settings, then Network, then Set up Wireless Network. Step 2. Select the Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot from the available networks list. Step 3. Use your phone to sign in through the Xfinity app and generate a login code if required. Step 4. Find your Xbox wireless MAC address in Network, then Advanced Settings. Step 5. Register the MAC address in the Xfinity app so your Xbox connects automatically to hotspots in the future.